If you have coconut at home, you need to try this. Hi family, welcome to Legacy Life Kitchen, where simple ingredients turn into something truly special. Today I am showing you how to make delicious coconut candy using just 3 ingredients, quick, easy and perfect for snacking. You will need your coconut, icing sugar and a pinch of salt. So you start by cracking the coconut and make sure you get the water from the coconut. Set that aside, and the next thing you are going to do is to try and carefully remove the coconut flesh from the shell. Once you are done removing it, you are going to thoroughly wash off whatever dirt that is there, and then you start slicing it just like you see that I've diced mine into smaller one. The next thing you are going to do is the coconut water that you reserved, you first of all pour it in your pan and then add a very small amount of water to it. In case the coconut water is much, then you don't need any water, but because while I was trying to crack it, some of the water wasted, so that's why I'm using water. The next thing you are going to do is from your icing sugar, you are going to make sure 200 grams of icing sugar out, and then you are going to add a pinch of salt to the water on fire. Stir everything together just the way you see, and once everything is thoroughly dissolved, go ahead and add in your coconut flakes. Once you add in your coconut flakes now to it, you are going to gently stir it together, and make sure that you are doing this on a low heat. You stir everything together and make sure everything is fully battered in the coconut water. You are going to cover it for a few minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes for it to cook, but make sure you are just around the corner. Then you keep stirring it gradually, but you will see that the water will start reducing and bubbles will be forming. Once the bubbles start forming, then you're getting it right and it's moving closer. So continue to stir, guys. Don't forget it's on a low heat, guys. Look at what we have now. It looks really thickened now, but we are still not there yet. But we're going to keep stirring it, and we're going to see as the water keep reducing gradually. Stir, keep stirring and allow it. Once you see that everything has thickened, or that the syrup has actually thickened up, you will still continue stirring it until all the coconut is fully coated in the syrup. Now you still keep stirring it gradually, but you can see that we're achieving it and we're very close to the end result. So now as you cook, the mixture will start to thicken and come together. It will become sticky and begins to pull away from the side of the pan. Once you see that happening, just like you see in my pan now, your coconut candy is almost ready. The next thing you are going to do is to make sure that the heat is very reduced, so you don't end up burning your coconut candy. You don't want it burnt, you just want everything to be fully caramelized. So once you get the result that you can see in this video now, that everything has come together and it's looking so gelatinized, then you have gotten the perfect consistency that you want. Except if you want it to be darker than this, that's when you still leave it and keep stirring. So at this point, turn off the heat and transfer the mixture that you have now, just like you see here, into a flat surface, and quickly shape it out. Whether you want to cut it into a round balls, or you want to flatten it and make it look like candy, then this is the right time for you to do that. So once you spread it, I'm going to use this foil to cover it and just to spread it, because I'm not going to be rolling it into ball. So once I spread it like that, I'm going to allow it to cool a little bit, because it is still very hot. So once it's cool, then I'll break it into my desired shape, just like